In this video, I am going to show you how to enable Adobe Flash Player on Chrome, even if it is not longer supported. Despite Adobe Flash Player being phased out, some websites still rely on it for multimedia content. Enabling Flash Player on Chrome involves installing an extension to emulate its functionality. And here's how to do it. 1. Open the Google Chrome on your computer and look on Google for Flash Player Test to test that Flash Player isn't available on Chrome yet or anymore. Next, enter the Chrome extensions in the address bar and hit enter. So you can go for Chrome Web Store, or you can just search for Chrome Web Store on Google. In the Chrome Store, search for an extension named Flash Player for Web. Click on Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the prompt. When it's installed, click on the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of the Chrome and toggle it on. Next, go to Flash Player Test, and then you will see that it is working now, that Flash Player is working on Google Chrome again. Just make sure you have the latest update of Google Chrome. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.